Hello everyone, hopefully you're having a great day, a great night. This video is going to be for those of you who want to street legal their dirt bike through South Dakota so they can have a legal dirt bike in Texas. So the way this is going to happen is you're going to register your bike in South Dakota, and then once you get your license plate and title in the mail, you're going to go ahead and switch that title to a Texas title, and that'll be it. So in order for you to do that, you're going to need these forms. The first one is going to be a off-road vehicle affidavit. It's going to say title number. That's going to be your VIN number. The make, it's going to be the make of your dirt bike. Model of your dirt bike. Year, the year of your dirt bike. Serial number is just going to be the VIN number. Just write VIN and put your VIN number. After that, all these boxes are just going to be what you need in order to make your dirt bike street legal. Rearview mirror, horn, exhaust and muffler, headlights, license plate light, etc. You're just going to want to go ahead and check all those boxes off except for the other one that says other. Just leave that one alone. And they have passed a new law to where you can also register any bike that's 120 cc's or above. It used to just be 200 cc's and above, but now, so let's say you have a little pit bike that's 120 cc's or above, you can now get that street legal too. So you're going to want to fill out this top part, and then after that you're going to want to get this bottom part notarized and filled out by a notary. You can go to your local bank and get that done. They might charge you a small fee. Another form you're going to need is the South Dakota application for motor vehicle title and registration. That's just going to be like your normal registration paperwork. Go ahead and fill that out. Put your normal address of where you live, because in South Dakota it doesn't matter if you live in Texas, you can still register your vehicle in South Dakota. So just put your actual street address in case you get pulled over by a cop or something. You can go ahead and get all these papers on the South Dakota website, or you can just Google it by the title that I gave you. Just Google that and it should pop up. Okay, so this is everything you're going to need to know. You can go ahead and write this down too. So once you fill out all that paperwork, you're going to want to send it to Hughes County Treasurer, 104 East Capitol Avenue, Pierre, South Dakota 57501. You're also going to want to send a copy of your driver's license and your social security card, because they need 2 forms of identity. And then another thing you might want to know is they're going to charge you a 4% purchase price fee. So whatever you paid for your dirt bike, just put that amount, and they're going to charge you a 4% purchase price fee. They're going to charge you a $10 title fee and a $6 penalty fee if you waited too long to get your dirt bike registered, which most likely you have, so they're going to charge you that $6 fee. And if you have any other questions regarding any of the information on getting your dirt bike street legal, make sure you tell them it's a dirt bike and you're getting it street legal, and she's going to give you or suggest that you get that form, the one that I told you, for off-road affidavit. So make sure you say that so they know your situation. But you're going to go ahead and call Nancy Coit at 605-773-7491. That's going to be the number for the Hughes County Treasurer. So go ahead and give them a call if you have any questions regarding any of the information that I gave you in this video. Get a paper, put your email and your phone number, so they'll be able to call you regarding the fees and everything. And you could pay the fees either through credit card, just give them your card information through the phone, or your debit card information over the phone, or they might want some form of cashier's check, and they'll tell you how much you need to send depending on your bike. So you'll go ahead and do that. Usually it costs around $100. Mine costs a little under $100, so I'm gonna spend around $100 or maybe $160, something. It really just depends on your bike and how much you paid for it. So that should be everything you need to know in order to get your dirt bike or pit bike street legal here in Texas. And here's my license plate that they already sent me for my little dirt bike. They already sent me my title in the mail too. It just came here like a couple of days ago. And here's proof that you can get your dirt bike South Dakota title transferred to a Texas title, because here is my other plate, my Texas plate. But this one is actually for my KX450F, which you've probably seen in my other video. But that one I got it street legal through Dirt Legal, which basically they did the same process that I'm showing you right now. The only reason I went through them is because I had a title issue, so it was easier for me to go through them than for me to try to fix it myself. But if you don't have any title issues and you have your MSO or your certificate of origin, whatever the paper is called, the one you get whenever you purchase your bike, you should be good to go. So just make sure you get all those forms filled out. Make sure you have a copy of your driver's license and your social security card, because they need 2 forms of identification. And make sure you give them a paper stating your email address and a number that they can reach you by, so they can contact you, so you can pay for all your fees. And as long as you have all this, you should be good to go. They'll probably respond to you within the next couple of days. I think they took them only like 1 or 2 days or something like that to respond back to me after they received my letter in the mail. So hopefully now with all this information, you can go ahead and get your dirt bike or little pit bike street legal.